Let's learn how to create 3D particles falling in Adobe After Effects. Take a new composition. Go to Layer, New, Solid. Name it Background. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Color Gradient. Drag and drop it on the background layer. Now give it gradient of your choice. I'll give it Galaxy Colors. Purple. A shade of blue. This looks fine. Okay. Again purple. And a darker shade on the last gradient. Now that we have colored the background, go to Layer, New, Solid. Give it white color. OK. Right-click on this layer. Effect. Simulation. CC Particle World. Now go to the properties on this layer. Effect. CC Particle World. Particle. Change type from line to lens convex. Play it by pressing space bar on your keyboard. Now decrease the birth size. Decrease the depth size. For particles to drop from top we need only gravitational force. So go to Physics and set velocity to 0. To decrease the motion of the particles we will decrease the gravity. Close the physics properties now. Go to Producer. Here adjust the radius Y to fill it from top to bottom. Also adjust the radius X to spread it all over. This is what it looks like now. To add depth in the scene, increase the Z radius. Close the producer properties. Now we want the particles to bounce on floor, so go to Physics, Floor. Change the floor action from none to bounce. Decrease the bounciness. Close the floor and physics properties. As we see, the most particles are disappearing before hitting the floor, so we need to increase the longevity. I'll adjust the birth and death size a bit. In Extra Properties, go to Effect Camera. Change the X angle. Adjust FOV. Now to rotate the whole scene, we will animate the rotation Y. Add a key to rotation Y. Move the bar to the last keyframe. And increase the value. Let's see the animation. Let's see from where the whole scene move. It's moving really slow, so let's adjust it. Move the bar to the last frame. Give it 10 rotation. Let's see. It's also slow. Make it 50. Let's see. I think it's a bit fast. I think we should make it 40. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.